Are you having problems with your content being under review on TikTok and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually me myself, I had the exact same problem before, and I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I was able to fix it. So basically what I did firstly was that I went into my TikTok app, and then I came to my profile right here, as you can see. And then on my profile, then what I did firstly was that I clicked on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines in the top right corner. And as you can see, you should now be able to see these alternatives in here, which is great. So in here, I just clicked on settings and privacy. And then I just scroll down in here until I can see where it says report a problem. So click on report a problem. And as you can see, you should now be taken here, which is great. You can just actually click all the way down below where it says chat with us, as you can see. So just click right here. We're just going to wait a couple of minutes, and in here, as you can see, you're just going to write like this, report a problem. So just write like this, report a problem. Then click on submit a ticket. Now you need to write like this to them. I am having issues with content being under review on my TikTok account. I believe that, or actually you can write, I strongly believe that my content is not going against the TikTok community standards. Oh, okay, we cannot actually write that long, so we can go like we can do like this instead. Sorry, it must have been some new thing right here that they have actually limited this one. So I'm having issues with content being under review on my TikTok account. I didn't do anything wrong. So you can write like this, I didn't do anything wrong. I need this to be fixed. So basically just write like this to them exactly. So I am having issues with content being under review on my TikTok account. I didn't do anything wrong. I need this to be fixed. So click on submit. Just wait a couple of seconds for this to submit. And as you can see, you have now a ticket in here. You can also click on view support ticket. As you can see, it's going to probably say open, and basically give it 24 to 48 hours for the TikTok support to be able to see this. And when they have seen this, it will say closed. And hopefully after that, this issue is going to be fixed for you. So try this and hopefully it's going to work.